Gary the garbage truck. It's very early in the morning. Gary the garbage truck is ready to go to work. Dobby, the driver, and Henry, the helper, travel with Gary the garbage truck. Off to Main Street. There will be lots of trash to collect today. They stop so Henry can empty the trash bags into the scrapper at the back. They collect a lot of trash bags. Soon, it's time to go home. Gary and his friends are happy to help to keep the town clean.
Who is the driver of Gary the garbage truck? Dobby. Henry. Gary. Main Street. Dobby. What is the name of the garbage truck in the story? Dobby. Henry. Gary. Main Street. Henry. Uh-oh. Gary. Where do Gary and his friends go to collect trash? School. Home. Park. Main Street. Park. Uh-oh. Main Street. Who helps empty the trash bags into the scrapper at the back of the truck? Dobby. Henry. Main Street. Gary. Henry. Uh-oh. Gary.